Hello friends, I am Professor Shivaji Valke. In today's session of Trading of Agricultural Commodity First, we are going to learn about processing of pulses and processing of oilseeds. So we'll begin with processing of pulses. These pulses are important source of proteins which contain nearly about 20 to 25% of proteins, and it contributes nearly about 10 to 15% of Indians food grains diets. Then these pulses are consumed in the form of dehusked split pulses, that is in the form of dals. Nearly about 75% of pulses are consumed in the form of dals. Some important dals like gram dal, then tur, moong, urid. These are the important pulses which are converted into dal form. Then pulse milling is an third largest food grain industries in India after rice and wheat milling industries. Okay. Then milling of pulses. Milling means remove of outer husk of pulse and splitting up the grain into two equal halves, that is converting it into dal format, is known as milling of pulses. In India, there were two alternative dal making methods like wet methods and dry methods, which gives higher losses in the form of broken grains and pounder grains. Okay, which gives nearly about 65 to 70% of yield, and while the improved methods gives nearly about 82 to 85% of yield. Then some important steps for dal making. First one, cleaning. Cleaning is an process for removing of foreign matter or outside matter from original or pure grains. Then dampings, soaking of grain into waters for wet methods, or mixing of grains with an linseed oils for in dry methods. Okay. Then tempering, keeping these soaked grains or wet grain for remove of waters for drying into sunlight. This is an tempering, or allowing it for some time for in open sun dry. Then splitting, finally converting that grain into dal formats or making the two equal halves. Then husking, removing the husk from dal. So these are the common methods for dal making. First one, cleaning, damping, tempering, splitting and huskings. Then this dal is maybe further processed into flours or besan. Then processing of oilseeds. For oilseed process, we have various methods like bullock driven ghani methods, then electric driven ghani methods, explore methods and solvent extraction methods. So we'll begin with bullock driven ghani methods. In traditional method of oilseed processing, the ghani consists wooden vessel in which oil collected and which is attached to the wooden long rotated by a single bullocks. In 2 hours, take to 10 kg of oil seeds is processed in this one, like this one structures. Okay, this is an wooden vessels for collecting the oils. Okay, which is an attached by one long rotated single with an single bullocks. Okay, then oil and oil cake extracted by these methods are better quality than those extracted by the other methods. Nowadays, some brand also they are focusing that their oil is made by this wooden ghani. Okay, some brand from Satara part. Okay, they are promoting where their brand is and very good qualities of making a very good qualities oil. Okay. Then second methods, electric driven ghani methods, similar to the traditional bullock driven methods, but instead of bullock they are replacing with some electric powers or electric machines or powers. Then this process take less times and quality of oilseed processed per day is higher than bullock driven methods. Okay, structure like this one. Then explorer method. This is an very popular method and generally used in nowadays. The explorer of different size is available at the time of by each explorer vary with an size and capacity of your pulses milling unit. Then the recovery of oil percentage is an more as per the Ghani methods. Okay, structure like this one. Okay, this is an explorer methods. And last one, solvent extraction methods. By this all above methods means through this Bullock driven, electronic driven and explorer methods, 5 to 12% of oil is left with an oil cakes. To remove these oils from solvent extraction method is used. The chemicals like hexines is dissolved with an oils. Okay, then solution containing the oils solvent is passed through the condenser where the oil is and distills. This distills oils or the distilled oils is used in soap industries. Then solvent extracted meal is used as a feed for the daily cattle and because of its high proteins contents. Okay, so this is a last method for solvent extraction for oil millings. Okay, then today we have seen about processing of pulses. These pulses are majorly processed in the form of dals because majorly 75% are pulses are consumed in the form of dals, and this dal processing industries are third largest industries after rice and wheat industries. Then for the milling of pulses in traditionally we use this wet methods and dry methods which gives less yields, nearly about 65 to 75%. And in nowadays we are using some improved machineries which gives nearly about 82 to 85% of yields. Then for making dals we have some common steps like cleaning, damping, tempering, splitting and huskings. Okay, then for processing of oil seeds we have 4 methods with us. First one, Bullock driven Ghani methods or Ghani methods. Then electronic driven Ghani methods, just replacing that Bullock with an electric machine or electric motors. Then explorer methods. Then last one, solvent extraction methods by using some chemicals we are extracting oil from that one. So this is about the today's session. I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.